I'm Adam and welcome to iClimate, home to the largest residential air conditioning project in the UK. We understand HVAC for all applications. Our strong industrial background allows us to implement these concepts of operation to the super prime domestic sector. Our team of in-house designers allow us to design aesthetically discrete methods of air diffusion into your space. Our design side has an eye for detail that will listen to your requirements for each space, taking into consideration usage, occupancy and demographic. We are your true turnkey solution for your property, combining mechanical, electrical and control. Our strong foundations of being involved in all aspects of buildings, from construction to interior design, allow us to give you a truly controlled solution suited to your lifestyle. We will undertake all aspects of your project, from BIM models, design drawings, building works, all the way to decoration. So trust your property to London's original high-end building services specialist. Our client portfolio is a testament to this. Get in touch today for a free quotation and thank you for watching.